My dad's friend is the one that taught me when I was a kid. He was so rich. He was like in the neighborhood. He was the richest guy. Everyone knew him because of how much money he had. And he did garage doors. I'll show you how to do it. I've done this before. See? And then you get one of these, and then light medium. You got that on there? So this is us getting coffee. I'm going out to a job I just sold over the phone for an opener. It's one of these openers I have that I was supposed to put in on the last job, but I ended up fixing it or something, so I have an extra opener. Then I got another job after. Sounds like a battery, but I'll probably end up getting door service. So I'm gonna go out, hang this opener, take me an hour. So anyway, I'll be calling you. I'll be getting back on here and talking to you as soon as I get to the job. Talk at you. Okay, we got the opener up. I just gotta put a little piece on here. And our number's right here on the wall. Got a new sticker right there. And the wall button's there too. You could, there's a light switch thing on here too. You can.
Forgive me if I give you $1,400. Don't have the extra change. Really appreciate it.
Okay.
I will tell my friends. Appreciate it.
We get 2 minutes.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Appreciate it.
Okay. He's paid me $1,400. It's about an hour to do the whole thing. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have $1,400 to do an hour's work. It's all cash. Still $1,400 I got for an opener I wasn't even using. I mean, I know a lot of you are gonna go, $1,400 for an opener. That's what we get. All you people that are saying, oh, I'd do that for 400 bucks and all that. You have no self-worth. You need to raise your standards in life. Nobody works for $100. Putting in something that in 40 years is still gonna be working every day. The opener I took out of there was over 40 years old. This is a specialty kind of job. They're not expecting you to do it for cheap. It's better to get paid what you're worth. It makes you feel good. It makes you feel like you helped out. It makes you feel like you can go do things in life and not worry about every penny. My dad's friend is the one that taught me when I was a kid. They're 100 years old now, but he was so rich. He was like in the neighborhood. He was the richest guy. Everyone knew him because of how much money he had. And he did garage doors. It's no different today. Your time is going to be valuable to people. I got my son with me today. He's coming out, hanging out with me today. We're going to go to Cheesecake Factory now. Then we're going to go do another service after that. That one's not till 3. We're going to go do that one, and we're going to end up getting another 350 bucks. Look at the ceiling. Yeah, this is incredible. People pay you good money, you don't mind spending, 50 or 100 bucks on lunch. Did come a battery or something? Yeah, it says right there.
Here he says, yeah.
Yeah, I can tell by the noise. Have you had a power outage here?
No.
Let me see how you run. Yeah, have you had the door serviced?
No.
Yeah, because the door looks like it needs service. How you doing?
David,
How are you? Good. I told her we could change the battery out of the motor. It's $260 with the battery. Door service is $349, which is not much more. I can do everything for $349, and they'll just throw the battery in.
Okay.
You want to do that? Otherwise, if you get it serviced even in a year from now, you're still spending the full amount on door service because eventually those are going to fall off. Wood doors, when it starts raining, the wood expands and contracts. And the nuts fall off, and they're already loose, so they're going to vibrate off.
go ahead.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you're here. It's good.
Okay, so here's that. Hold that.
I wanted to say to you guys, if you think it's too hot.
No.
Okay.
It's not bad at all.
All right.
It's all right.
Okay.
Thank
We're
you.
here.
We're gonna go. It's too hot. We gotta go.
We have to bend the struts like this. Go.
Done.
Okay, that one there, I did door service, $349. And that lady was a real nice lady. It was a $1,749 a day. The only thing I used was a battery and the opener on another one. Someone just called and they want a garage door estimate. Well, I told them I'll swing by and check it out. I feel good. I feel productive. I feel like someone needed me and paid me today. That feeling every human needs. If you guys don't want to do this, that's fine, but I'm just trying to tell you guys, garage door trade is a high demand. I mean, there's room for a lot more people to do this and make great money. And it doesn't take long before you start realizing how easy money is to be made. You see me doing it every day. This is a real business. You see customers, you see people paying me. Who's ever looking for any business to get into, you don't only get trained in this business for a very reasonable price. If you go to a hands-on trade school, you're going to spend $30,000 to $40,000 by the time you're done. So with ours, you basically not only get that, you get the certification, you also get a lifetime access to the course. You get me mentoring you on any jobs. You just text me, call me, whatever, and I'll tell you how to, what you need to do. Any type of question getting into this business. But if you are stuck on anything, just call us, text us, schedule a call. We'll tell you the next steps to do. If you need, someone mentoring you, we can also do that. So anyway, there's little things you need to set up and then every once in a while renew, but that's after you've made a bunch of money. So anyway, for all of you that want to sign up, you're not just taking a course and you're on your own. We're going to make sure you get up and running. For you guys that are interested in doing garage doors, garage door repairs, we have a free lesson for you below. So click the link below and don't forget to like and subscribe. If I were you, I would go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. To schedule a call, you'll probably talk to me and I'll talk to you and I'll tell you exactly what you got to do to get into business. I'll tell you how fast you can get into business. It's not a big drawn out thing. You can be making money very fast, day after day after day after day. Give us a call or sign up, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Over and out.